I heard tornado sirens going off. I wonder where they are. Yeah, the sky looks a little gray, but yeah, we've been under a tornado watch for about an hour now. Ain't nothing happened. I just got home from work. Ain't much happening. Figure I was gonna go down to the bar down here and hit me some girls. Actually, now I'm gonna go to the bar here. Just gotta park right up here. Hello, miss. Can I get a very pixelated cheeseburger? Thank you, miss. That's very good. Thank you. Alright. Think I should get home now. Don't really like whenever the weather turns like this. Yeah, I do really need a new vehicle. What the? Probably nothing. I thought I heard my rims getting scratched up. I just brought some brand new ones. Go on this dang thing. I'm not gonna waste them. I'm gonna... Shoot, I gotta get home if the weather's gonna continue getting bad like this. Yeah, I think I'll save this car for another day. I gotta continue working on it. I think I'm gonna get home. Whew. I'm glad we got a dash cam up in here, though. Oh, shoot! Oh! 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 Oh, God! Oh, God!